Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, front license plate bracket, 4-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, heated front seats, tachometer, universal garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.